Hello everyone. This is the introduction of Microsoft Word, right? So what is the Microsoft Word? Microsoft Word, often called Word, it is a word processing program that allows you to create a document including letter, resume, and more. So now we are talking about Microsoft Word interface. First, we're talking about quick access toolbar. Here, located on the top right of the screen, it is the area that allows you to access command quickly. So for example, you see about save, undo, redo, right? And here you can add more commands to the quick access toolbar, or you can customize to add a lot more in here. So the goal of this means that you can add command, and you can use the command that you think you use it most often, right? Next, we are talking about the ribbon. So what is the ribbon? So this area we call a ribbon, right? So inside Insert tab, you will see the ribbon of the Insert tabs. Inside the Home tab, you will see the ribbon of the Home tabs, right? So this is we call the commands, the tool that you use to do something inside of Microsoft Word. It's meant that you use to decorate the text, you use to make it bold, italic, underline, you make it a small at the bottom or small at the top. So this is we call a subscript, this is called superscript. So this rename, this is a font, right? So this is the groups, right? So now we're talking more clearly about the ribbons, right? So what is the ribbon? You see, the ribbon contain multiple tabs. You see, we have Insert tab, Design tab, we can find near the top of the windows, right? So you see, each tab contains several groups of command. So now we're talking the ways and how to hide and show the ribbon, right? To show and hide the ribbon, look at the top right hand side of the screen. You will see this one. It's called the ribbon display option. So when you click on this one, you will see three commands, right? So when you choose the first one, auto hide the ribbon, it means it hide all the ribbon. It make your typing area more wider, right? So the second option, when you click on show tab, you will see only the tab, right? So when you click on the Home tab, the ribbon will drop down. When you click on the Insert tab, the ribbon will drop down. But when you click on the text area, it means the typing area, it will hide, right? And the third one, when you click on Show tab and Commands, it will show back all, right? So next we're talking about Tell Me feature. So what is Tell Me feature here, right? So Tell Me feature is the feature, it's like a search box that allows you to search the command that you know, and you can access command quickly when you know the command, right? For example, when you want to bold text, you just type bold, so the bold command will pop up, right? For example, when you want to italic the text, you just type italic, right? So this is it like a search box, right, that you can search any commands that you know inside Microsoft Word. Okay, so now we move back to the quick access toolbar. Here on the top left, you see, like I told you previously, this is the place where you can access the command quickly, right? So now I want to add more command to here. For example, I mostly use print command inside Microsoft Word, so I want to put it here, right? So I click on the drop down menu, and then you see quick print command. So when you click on it, you will see the quick print command will stay here. So if you want to add more command, you can click on the drop down and then use more commands, right? So these word options pop up. On the left hand side box is the command that you choose to put to the quick access toolbar, but on the right hand side is the available command that you see on your quick access toolbar area. On the top left, you will see 4 command, right? So this is 4 command also. For example, I want to add one more command called cut. I click on it and then I choose add, so it will go jump from left to right like this, and then we just click OK. So now you see one more command will stay here. Okay. So now we're talking about the ruler. So where's the ruler? Here, look, you see the ruler located at the left and at the top of the screen, like I move my mouse like this, right? So it makes it easy to adjust your document with the precision. If you want, you can hide the ruler to create more screen space, right? So now how to show and hide the ruler? To show and hide the ruler, you go to View. You will see the show group here, so you can uncheck on the ruler. It's will hide the ruler, right? So you want to show the ruler, you just check on it. So that's all for this video, right? So see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to click on subscribe on my YouTube channel to get more video.